welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be talking about the top reasons why mortgages get denied. Stay tuned. So if you've clicked on this video, you're probably in the process for qualifying for your own loan, and you are wondering what are some of the top reasons as to why people get disqualified. So we're going to go over the top 9 reasons why mortgages are denied in the United States. So number 9 comes in at 11.41% of total denials, and it is going to be length of residence. Now you're probably like, man, I just moved, so I'm automatically disqualified. That's not how it works. They take accumulatively over a certain amount of years how long you've stayed at each one of your residences, and then make a decision from there. And even so, it may not be the sole reason. It could be in conjunction with one of the other few, but that's what we're getting at, is it's collectively, it's not just recent. So number 8 comes in at less than 0.02% of total mortgage denials, and it is going to be mortgage insurance denied. Number 7 comes in at 0.83% of total denials, and it is going to be employment history, kind of just like the residency. If you just change jobs, you know, that's not always a disqualification, especially if it's in the same line of field, but if you have a history of constantly changing jobs, then that could be a problem. Number 6 comes in at 1.53% of total denials, and it is insufficient cash. Now this could be down payment, this could be reserves, but essentially if you don't have enough money, they're not going to qualify you for the loan. Alright, so number 5 comes in at 2.73% of total mortgage denials, and it is unverifiable information. If you tell your lender that you make $100,000 a year, but you only make $50,000, that is going to get you disqualified because they can't verify $100,000 in income. So we've made it to the top 4 reasons why mortgages get denied, and coming in at number 4 at 16% is going to be collateral. Collateral is the 4th reason why mortgages get denied. Number 3 makes up 17% of total mortgage denials, and it is credit application is not complete. You've started the process, complete it, finish the application, so you know exactly where you stand with the rest of them. Number 2 makes up 24.3% of total mortgage denials, and it is credit history. Alright, now what you've been waiting for is number 1, which makes up 26% of mortgage denials, and it comes out to be your debt to income ratio. Now, when qualifying for mortgages, your debt to income ratio is basically how much money you have come in versus how much you have going out, and there's a certain ratio that you have to maintain to be able to qualify for a mortgage. And not meeting that criteria is the number 1 reason why mortgages do not happen. So there you have it. That was the top 9 reasons why mortgages get denied. I hope I helped you become a little bit more informed, so when you decide to start the process, you feel a little bit more confident about doing so, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.